Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go? Hmm? When your dog hates you because you made him take a walk, don't panic. You happy to be home? You happy to be home? What's in the closet? What's in the closet? You gonna get a bone? You gonna get a bone? I know. Boy. Show everyone your couch. Show everyone your couch. Look, go lay on your couch. Go lay on your couch. Show everyone your couch. You like your couch? Oh, it's so nice. You happy now? You happy now? Hello?